You have exactly 5 seconds to answer this. What did you eat today? If your answer involved anything processed, loaded with sugar, or comes in a shiny package, then listen up. Today we are unlocking the secrets to a clean diet that fuels your body for optimal fitness. And trust me, you do not want to miss the final tip that even elite athletes swear by. Section 1. Why a clean diet matters. Think of your body as a high-performance sports car. Would you fill a Ferrari with cheap gas? No way! So why fuel your body with junk? A clean diet is not just about eating healthy. It is about maximizing energy, muscle growth, and mental clarity. Clean eating has been a trend for the past decade, although there is no official definition of what clean eating means. In fact, it is more of a dietary approach than a specific diet, although quite a number of cookbooks have sprung up around this trend. The foundation of clean eating is choosing whole foods and foods in their less processed states, choosing from vegetables, fruits, whole grains, pulses, beans, lentils and peas, dairy, nuts, seeds, and high-quality animal and plant proteins. When possible, food choices are organic and based on what is in season in your geographic region. When choosing packaged foods with a label, foods with shorter ingredient lists are preferred, and added sugars are limited. So far, so good. However, the movement can go to extremes. Many clean eating advocates aim to avoid all traces of added sugar, high fructose corn syrup, preservatives, artificial colors and flavors, and other additives, a position that might be admirable but is too stringent for most people. In many cases, a cult-like extremism is encouraged by wellness bloggers and celebrities who have no nutrition qualifications or evidence to back up some of their promises, including claims that their version of clean eating will change your life or cure your health issues. There are many variations on clean eating, but basically, it refers to eating foods that are as close as possible to their natural state. This encourages us to make our meals from scratch to make them as clean as possible. The main reason to adopt clean eating is the health benefits of consuming foods rich in nutrient content directly from the earth that have not been overly processed. Most Americans eat a diet rich in heavily processed foods made from synthetic ingredients and packed with fat, sugar, sodium, chemicals, preservatives, food dyes, and other additives your body does not quite know what to do with. These additional items may be detrimental to your overall health and well-being. It may be daunting to consider eating a clean diet, but the benefits outweigh any concerns you may have when attempting to eat clean. These items are examples of what might be considered in a clean diet. Fresh fruit. Apples, bananas, blueberries, grapes, oranges, strawberries, 100% fruit juice. Vegetables. Avocados, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, carrots, cauliflower, corn, green beans, lettuce, mushrooms, onion, peppers, salsa, sweet potatoes, tomatoes. Lean meats, protein. Dried beans, eggs from grass-fed chickens, fresh fish, grass-fed chickens, plain nut butter, no sugar added, and unflavored nuts. Grain cereal foods. Those are made with whole grains, air-popped popcorn, oats, brown rice, and whole wheat pasta. Dairy products. Cheese, milk, plain yogurt, and unsweetened non-dairy milk. Drinks and desserts can be a major source of added sugar. Look for unsweetened tea and coffee, water, and seltzer. Consider making treats at home with less sugar or honey, fruit, and whole grains. As you look over the items listed, imagine where they came from in their original state. Eating those items as fresh as possible without being overly processed is clean eating. Of course, how clean your diet is up to you. But here is the thing. Most people get it wrong. They think clean eating means eating boring salads 24/7. Let's bust that myth, shall we? Section 2. The building blocks of a clean dieta. Clean diet is not about restriction. It is about balance. Let's break it down into simple categories. Protein is the MVP of fitness nutrition. It helps repair and build muscle, keeping you strong and lean. The key? Choose high-quality sources. Lean meats, fish, eggs, and plant-based options like lentils and quinoa. Carbs are not the enemy, bad carbs are. Ditch the refined junk and go for whole, fiber-rich options that give you sustained energy. Have you ever felt a sugar crash after eating fast food? Yeah, that is your body begging for real food. Fat does not make you fat, processed junk does. Healthy fats help with hormone production and brain function and keep you feeling full longer. So drizzle that olive oil and enjoy that avocado toast. Do not go overboard. Section 3. The secret to long-term success. Let's be honest, Sticking to a clean diet is hard when life gets busy. The trick: make it easy. And no, this does not mean you have to spend hours meal prepping. There is a hack that can cut your meal prep time in half. More on that in a second. Section 4. Easy hacks to eat clean without spending hours in the kitchen. Hack number 1. Batch cooking. Cook once, eat multiple times. Grill a bunch of chicken, roast some veggies, and boom, you will have meals for days. You could also eat protein bars and call it a day. But let's not pretend that it is sustainable. Hack number 2. Shop smart. Stick to the perimeter of the grocery store. That is where the real food lives. Everything in the middle aisles? Suspicious. Hack number 3. Eat mindfully. It sounds simple, but slowing down and actually tasting your food prevents overeating and helps digestion. Plus, do you really want to inhale that $20 organic salad in 30 seconds? Section 5. The number 1 secret that fits people swear by: hydration. Yep, the simplest, most overlooked game changer. Water flushes toxins, aids digestion, and boosts metabolism. And before you ask, yes, coffee and energy drinks do not count. But there is one final tip that can completely transform the way you eat. And it has nothing to do with food. Section 6. The mindset shift that changes everything. Your mindset shapes your habits. If you see clean eating as a punishment, you will fail. But if you reframe it as self-care, as fueling your body for success, you will stick with it. The secret is not just in the food, it is in how you think about it. So, are you ready to make the shift? Start today, keep it simple, and most importantly, enjoy the process. And if you made it this far and hit that subscribe button, drop an emoji in the comments.